Hey, good afternoon, more Medic One. Today we're working on an Easy Go golf cart, and it's electric one. And we got something wrong with the rear end. It's not pulling, even though the motor is spinning. And as you can tell, I've got the rear end out of it. Let's walk over here to the bench and show you basically what we're going to have to swap out. And we're going to take apart the rear end and see what shelled out, whether it be a bearing or maybe some bull gears or some planetary gears may have shelled out. But here's the new one. Basically all you got to do is swap your motor from that one to that one. It's just held on with 4 bolts. It's real simple. But we'll get this one put back in. But the main purpose of this video is we're going to tear this down and see what failed. Go ahead and put you a catch can on here, and let's start taking all the differential housing bolts off. I'm going to leave this one attached. I've got the rear differential cover off, and we can see that this spline is chewed out right there. And if we take the axle out, we can see that the axle splines are gone as well. Try to wipe that off. And you can tell that spline is just spun out. Per Easy Go, you can't get the internals of this differential. You have to buy the whole pumpkin, which is about $600, and they didn't have it in stock because even the place that we get the parts from, their service department, they don't replace just this. They'll replace the whole rear end like I'm doing right there. But just wanted to show you all that. It's kind of silly that you can't get a spider gear, but you just can't do it. So the splines on the spider gear are spun out, and the splines on the axle shaft are spun out. And that's why this won't move. Even though everything internal is spinning, the motor is working, everything's spinning, but when you put it on the ground and give it gas, everything's spinning except that the axle's staying still, while that gear is just rotating around the splines that are spun out. So if you have any questions on how to repair a differential or have any questions about electric golf carts, let me know. More Medic One. Have a good day.